How to see your watch history on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to see your watch history on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open your TikTok app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're in your profile, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and then click on Settings and Privacy. And then once you're in Settings and Privacy, go to Privacy, which is the second option under Account. And then click on Download Your Data. Once you are right here, make sure to choose TXT or text instead of JSON. So choose JSON and then click on Request Data. So you should wait up to 4 days, as you can see here, so that you may be able to see your data on TikTok. So once you have your data, you may be able to see it right here on the download data option. So click on download once um, you are going to download it. Once you click on download, it will open your web browser and ask you to log in with your TikTok account. And then simply log in with your TikTok account and then download your data. So we will be going on with our downloads folder right here. So once you have downloaded it, you may be able to see this zip folder. So make sure to extract that zip folder and then open the folder that has been unzipped. And then go to activity and scroll down until you can see the video browsing file right here. So once you click on video browsing, you may be able to see all of the videos that you have watched. Also, you may see the date, the time, and then the link of the video. So what you're going to do is to make sure to copy this link and then paste it on your web browser. So that's it. That's how you can see your watch history on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.